Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing and assembling video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the ultimate body press wall mount pull up bar with 4 grip positions. Let's open it. Yeah, Sports Tech KF 300. And there it is. Thumb tools for assembling. Okay, we will need it later. And there it is, the product disassembled. And this is each part of it. This is one pull-up bar. This is the main pull-up grip. You're able to use this with a box, a box bag too. And there it is, the right and the left assembling parts for the wall. This is a wall installing unit, and this is the front for your grip. And there are you able to grip on it. Yeah, 3 grips available. Okay, now the other side. This is I think this is the right side of it to assemble it on the wall. Yeah, Sports Tech. Nice quality, as you can see. What is this? This is extra additional part to make this bar stronger. We will assemble it soon, as you can see. Now it's easy. It's difficult to unwrap it, as you can see, but now it's okay. We will do this. Yeah, we need only a couple of bolts for this with some nuts, and then we are going to assemble it. And after this, you have to bring this pull-up bar center on the wall. Okay, let's start. We will need this bolts to install the main extra strong assembling unit. On the downside, we have to push the bolt through the main product at the right side, and then we have to lock the bolt by using a nut on top of it. And after this, we have to take another bolt on the upper side, and this we are only going to tighten. That's enough. So there you can see there's a little ring under it. There's a nut. Push the nut in position, rotate it clockwise. That's important. And then tighten the screw. Lock it bar on the left side and tighten on the right side. And the same procedure on the upper side with only one bolt. This bolt is like a screw. And this you only go clockwise and tighten these 2 parts now. So let's use a wrench for this. As you can see, the other side is the same way. Now lock it on the left side, and on the right side use the I think it's a screwdriver imbus. There it is, and rotate this clockwise. Check. Tighten it hard. This is important because the pull-up bar is designed for heavy use. Maybe you are a heavy user, so tighten the screws really good. It's safety first, isn't it? Good job. Do this on the left side again. Yeah, as you can see, the body, the main product is assembled. Now let's head up to the tube over there, and there are some holes on the right and on the left side. And these holes are for the longer balls, as you can see. And on the downside, we will use this cover screw, and let's unscrew that first, rotating it anti-clockwise, and then let's assemble it again. Come on, right and left side assembled, good job. On the downside it comes out. And now let's tighten the big handful screws too. Only rotate it clockwise and rotate it until it's tightened. That's enough. Good job. Easy going, as you can see. Fast installation, easy assembling. Job's done. Yeah. Did I anything forgotten? No, it's all done. Yeah, now let's bring it on the wall by using these 4 holes and tighten this really hard on the wall, and then you're ready to make some pull-ups. Yeah, good job. Easy going, as you can see. These are the assembling material for the wall. This is important. Drill 4 holes right and 4 holes on the left side. Then insert the plug, and after this, go through the machine or through the pull-up bar inside the wall and tighten it. Good. Then it's done and you're ready to walk out. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time, okay? Soon.